Triamcinolone is a glucocorticoid used to treat a wide variety of inflammatory conditions of organ systems and tissues. In this video, let's found. What is triamcinolone? What class of drug is triamcinolone? What is triamcinolone used to treat? Who cannot use triamcinolone? What are the side effects of taking triamcinolone? How does triamcinolone make you feel? How to use triamcinolone? What is triamcinolone? What class of drug is triamcinolone? Triamcinolone is a glucocorticoid used to treat certain skin diseases, allergies, and rheumatic disorders among others. It is also used to prevent worsening of asthma and COPD. It can be taken in various ways, including by mouth, injection into a muscle, and inhalation. Triamcinolone was patented in 1956 and came into medical use in 1958. It is available as a generic medication. In 2020, it was the 106th most commonly prescribed medication in the United States, with more than 6 million prescriptions. What is triamcinolone used to treat? Triamcinolone hexacetonide injections are indicated for intralesional administration in alopecia areata, discoid lupus erythematosus, keloids, and necrobiosis lipoidica diabeticorum. This formulation can also be used for localized hypertrophic infiltrated inflammatory lesions of granuloma annulare, lichen planus, lichen simplex chronicus, and psoriatic plaques. Triamcinolone acetonide spray and cream are indicated for the treatment of inflammatory and pruritic manifestations of corticosteroid responsive dermatoses. A triamcinolone acetonide 10 mg per milliliter 40 mg per milliliter injection is indicated intra-articularly for acute gouty arthritis, acute and subacute bursitis, acute nonspecific tenosynovitis, epicondylitis, rheumatoid arthritis, and synovitis of osteoarthritis. A triamcinolone acetonide suspension for injection into the suprachoroidal is indicated for the treatment of macular edema associated with uveitis. Who cannot use triamcinolone? Contraindications for systemic triamcinolone are similar to those of other corticoids. They include systemic mycoses, fungal infections, and parasitic diseases, as well as 8 weeks before and 2 weeks after application of live vaccines. For long-term treatment, the drug is also contraindicated in people with peptic ulcers, severe osteoporosis, severe myopathy, certain viral infections, glaucoma, and metastasizing tumors. What are the side effects of taking triamcinolone? Side effects of triamcinolone are similar to other corticoids. In short-term treatment up to 10 days, it has very few adverse effects. However, sometimes gastrointestinal bleeding is seen, as well as acute infections, mainly viral, and impaired glucose tolerance. Side effects of triamcinolone long-term treatment may include coughing, up to bronchospasms, sinusitis, metabolic syndrome, like symptoms such as high blood sugar and cholesterol, weight gain due to water retention, and electrolyte imbalance, as well as cataract, thrush, osteoporosis, reduced muscle mass, and psychosis. Pharmacodynamics. Triamcinolone is a corticosteroid with anti-inflammatory properties. These properties are used to treat inflammation in conditions that affect various organs and tissues. Triamcinolone should not be administered as an epidural injection. How does triamcinolone work? Corticosteroids like triamcinolone inhibit phospholipase A2 on cell membranes, preventing the breakdown of lysosomal membranes of leukocytes, which in turn prevent the formation of arachidonic acid, which decrease expression of cyclooxygenase and lipoxygenase, inhibiting synthesis of prostaglandins and leukotrienes. Anti-inflammatory activity occurs via reversal of vascular dilation and reducing permeability, which prevents macrophage and leukocyte migration. Triamcinolone also inhibits nuclear factor, kappa B, which decreases the production of pro-inflammatory signals such as interleukin 8, and monocyte chemoattractant protein 1. Half-life. The half-life of triamcinolone is 2.7 h. The mean terminal elimination half-life following an inhaled dose of triamcinolone acetonide is 2.4 h. The half-life of triamcinolone diacetate is 2.8 h. How to use triamcinolone? Adult. Treatment of rheumatic or arthritic disorders. 60 mg intramuscularly, IM, every 6 weeks, may be supplemented by additional 20 to 100 mg IM as needed. Intralesional injection, 10 mg per milliliter sustain 1 mg per injection site 1 or more times weekly, not to exceed 30 mg per day. Intraarticular/intrasynovial/soft tissue injection, large joints, 15 to 40 mg, small joints/tendon sheath inflammation, 2.5 to 10 mg pediatric. Treatment of rheumatic conditions. 0.11 to 1.6 mg/kg/day intramuscularly, IM, divided every 3 to 4 hours. Children 6 to 12 years, 0.03 to 0.2 mg/kg IM every 1 to 7 days. Children over 12 years, 60 mg IM every 6 weeks, may be supplemented by additional 20 to 100 mg IM as needed. Children over 12 years, intralesional injection, 10 mg per milliliter suspension 1 mg per injection site 1 or more times weekly, not 30 mg per day. Triamcinolone hexacetonide. Treatment of rheumatic or arthritic disorders. Intralesional injection, 0.5 mg/superscript 2, repeated as needed. Intraarticular injection, 20 mg per milliliter suspension, 10 to 20 mg, large joint, 2 to 6 mg, small joints, repeated every 3 to 4 weeks as needed. Are there specific concerns about triamcinolone and pregnancy? Advice and warnings for the use of triamcinolone during pregnancy. FDA pregnancy category C risk cannot be ruled out. That's all the information about triamcinolone we collected. Thanks for listening. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for the HeInfo channel if you like this video to update more health information.